Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a fun Michael's haul. So quick story time real quick. Last week I got to see my friend Joanne's grab bag unboxing and I was super green with envy because our store didn't have any of those grab bags. So I'll put a link right above if you'd like to see what she found. Super awesome stuff. You got to see it. And today I went because I wanted to buy more of these scrapbooking containers and also wanted to buy some kind of cute little items that I could put in my daughter Emmy's little goodie bags for her birthday celebration this weekend, and maybe find some activity packs that I could put in there. And so to make a story short, on my way in, saw the most interesting sight. There was this lady pushing this really tiny cart, but it had a mountain of boxes right on top of each other. She was trying to balance it, trying to get off the sidewalk. It looked like at least seven, I kid you not, 7 rectangular boxes. And if you are a Michael's grab bags fan, you know that those are grab bags. So a couple fell. I came over and helped her out, but she was like, I got it. And then I went in because I was all excited, saw the yellow tag that said clearance, and went inside. And guess what I found? I found a grab bag. So we are going to open that today. I'm going to put this aside. This is just a scrapbook little container I got, but our haul is all about this. Okay, so while I'm opening this box up, I'm just gonna put a couple clips here showing you what I'd seen at the side of this box. I was hoping that I would get something that would be great to put in my daughter Emmy's goodie bags for her birthday. We are doing a drive-through and type birthday, so I wanted them to be able to do something via Zoom, have an activity. And when I saw these on the side, they looked like they had activity boxes. This was the box I got. And literally, there were only 2 left. So I got both of them. Both of them had the activity boxes in there. So let's see what's in these boxes. I don't want to spoil the surprise, so I am just going to put this aside. And we are going to start. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Look at this. Steam-powered crystals. This is perfect. I cannot wait to give these to the kids. I hope I have enough. I have about 5 girls that are going to be participating in our little virtual party, and this is awesome. So I don't see a price. It is by Toy Smith, so we'll look that up in just a few, but let's put that aside and see what else we got in this box. We have another one. Oh my gosh, I love it. And these are awesome. These are not cheap. These are great tools, and my kids' friends are big on STEAM projects. So let's see what else we have here. Awesome. So we have a variety. Okay, here we go. So it was $19.99 and now the price is $2.10. So this one is solar system string lights. That is adorable. That is such a great little project. This is cute. They can paint it. Oh wow, that is an awesome deal. So far we have 3 of those. Let's see what else we have here. Oh wow, another one. I love this. $2.10, so we got 2 of each. Then I can probably give them a different for each. So we have 3 of these. My goodness. So one of this already pays for the box, and these are retails for $19.99 regularly. And we got 5. That is awesome. Next item here, we have the Scrubby Red Heart little yarn here. This is good for, it says for crocheting, so this will be fun for a crafty project. Guys, I see some good stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Look at these. We have some embroidery flosses in different colors. And again, these are not cheap. This brand is DMC. Oh, that's so awesome. I love that. And we have this color. Let's see what else. I see some. Oh my goodness, I love this brand. This is, wait, this is, oh, Margaret Ying, yes. These are too cute. You can put this in your planner. I'm adding it to a flip book because I already know that I would love to send one of these to some snail mail friends. And look, these stickers. Have a look at these stickers, 40 pieces. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. I love it. And it looks like, yes, we have another one definitely going to share with some of my snail mail friends. I love this. So Joanne, if you are watching, you know you're gonna get one of these guys because she loves sushi, anything about Japan. And check this out. This is so cool. We're talking about birthdays. I love it. This is a birthday washi tape. My daughter Emmy is going to love it. It says celebrate. We have the rainbow, some balloons. How timely. This is really amazing. And we have another one. How cool. That is so awesome. I think sharing that. And then, oh my gosh, I'm so in love. I love notebooks, and we got 2 journals and this cute little character here in the front. And on the back, she is adorable. I love it. So there are 2, and this is what that looks like. I am in love with these notebooks. And we got some letters. I'm definitely going to use this. We'll probably use it for her signage tomorrow. As we welcome her friends when they drive by. I think that would be great. And these Mom Bee stickers are pretty expensive too if you buy them regularly. Let's see what else we have here. More stickers. Here's one that says USA Our Hero, and this one's a tribute to the American soldiers, so I love that. Definitely going to share that with a friend that served in the military. Oh my gosh. This is too good to be true. Look at these washies. I love this. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I went to Michael's today. We are going to have to see what else we find because I would like to see what I can share. Oh, this is beautiful. So the next one is by Recollections, and it's the Sisterly Love stickers. And my sister recently celebrated her birthday. I am definitely going to add this to my little scrapbook layout and my journal. And here's another one, and I already know who to send this to. Little baby stickers, so put that aside. 13 piece, and then we have some of these cute little geckos and reptiles. My daughter Emmy will love this. So she is an animal lover, so I'm going to give that to her. And more stickers. Now this is cool. I love this. I am going to make something fun, like a Sherlock Holmes type deal. But I like the mustaches and the top hat. I think my daughter Lil and I can work with something fun for a scrapbook for that. And we got some alpha stickers in yellow. Love that. I've never had this bright of a yellow. I usually go with the golds and the blues. Oh, I love this. Happy Mother's Day. This will be perfect. Definitely going to use that for my mom. This is a tribute to our local heroes. Definitely. The firefighters here in California definitely are our heroes. So I'm definitely going to create a little scrapbook with some of the pictures documenting what's happened the last few months last year when we had those terrible fires, and just remembering that these guys were the reasons why we kept everything under control. So that's from Paper House. That's super cool. Our next sticker set here is another paper house, and this is a camping theme. Again, I love these dimensional stickers. These are not cheap. I think they go for at least $3 and up. Now, our next one is by Me and My Big Ideas, soft-spoken stickers. And again, my daughter Ems will love this for her scrapbooking with the besties. More stickers. This time it is from, I can't read the label, but I've seen this tag at, it's Mementa, okay, from Tuesday Morning in the Past. And I love these types of stickers. Again, great for journaling and scrapbooking. We have more of our local heroes for the military, so I'll be sharing that with some friends. We have, love this one, family, and I love that vintage feel with this faux brads on it. And oh my goodness, how adorable! Two more Plan My Life. So we have this other set, so I'll be sharing that with some of my friends. Let's see here, my daughter definitely gonna use this. I have two wonderful daughters I'm super thankful for, and this will be great for scrapbook layouts. I feel yarn, so we have more of these red yarn. Cool. And then we have these, so we're going to have to give that to some friends. And more, oopsie, of these soft yarn from Red Heart, and I love this coral color. Now this one, I'm afraid to open. I just feel like it's gonna leak all over the place, but I could be wrong. This is a Pilot pen, it looks like. Let me just, oh no, it's a highlighter. So cool, the girls can definitely use that. Highlighter. Looks like we have another one, so one for each of them. And another floss, nice rust color. Oh, I love this. We have another one great for selfies. That's super cute. And let's see here. Another, a fireman themed one. Love the dimensional stickers on that. And I have more washi. Love this one, super cute. And I have another one here that says Celebrate. I will be sharing this with my friend Joanne. I am preparing a birthday box for her, so I think she'll love some extra washi there. That's super cute. And oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look at this. These are stickers by Margaret Ying, and I think they are so adorable. I love that. We have a few of these cutie pies, so we'll put that on the side. I really like that. And yes, a few more to share. So I'm definitely going to share this with my friend Kat as well. She is a big fan of these grab bags, so she's definitely getting some of this stuff. And we have another one I'm going to share with some Snail Mia friends. So Joanne, Kat, look out. And some more of the rusty floss. And it looks like we have a couple more. Now there is going to be another box, but I can see I was in a hurry to get home and share this with you guys, but my battery's about to die, so it looks like we will have to do a part 2. But let me just go ahead and show you the last 2 items. So the last 2 items in the box, and this was adding the weight. This one's Studio Decor, and this is a decorative ledge. Much needed. I need to add this to our guest room, and these are not cheap, so I'm not sure if I can add the total because there are no prices on these, but I'm pretty sure over $100, give or take, more than that. But that is it, guys. Oh wait, there is one more item in here, and it is nothing big, but it's a cool Pilot pen here, and it's just one of those needlepoint type pens. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this Michael Grab bags box. Comment below, let me know which item you liked. I'm hoping I can host a giveaway soon so I can share some of these items with you guys. Let me know which items you like the most, and I'm excited to share this and give this away to my kids' friends for their little goodie bags for activities at home. So thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.